Hello viewers, today I'll show you a very tasty mutton kofta curry recipe. I've used minced mutton and goat fat for this recipe. The fat makes the koftas moist and gives them the special aroma and taste associated with the famous eateries of Old Delhi. For this recipe, I'll be using 500 grams of organic mutton mince, 50 grams of goat fat. Let's take out the mutton mince in a bowl. This is sheep meat. Add the goat fat. Break it up in a bit. Use a hand grinder or a food processor to blend the mince and the fat together. Add 2 teaspoons each of ginger and garlic paste. Add some chopped shallots, diced green chilies and finely chopped mint. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, a bit of nutmeg powder, a bit of chili powder and salt according to your taste. Add a bit of maida or refined flour. Mix everything together using your hands like I'm doing here and roll them into balls like I'm showing you here. That's one mutton kofta done. Put them in the fridge for an hour. For the gravy, I'll need 1 teaspoon each of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of shallot paste, 400 grams of tomato passata or pureed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, coriander and garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Let's get the koftas out. Heat some oil in a pot. We need to fry and brown the koftas in the hot oil. So put them in and let them sizzle. Turn them around so that they brown on all sides. This will take a couple of minutes and then take them out. In the same pot, add the shallot paste and fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the ginger garlic paste and fry for a minute. Then add the powdered spices and mix them in. Then add the chili flakes and fry for another minute. Then add the tomato passata and blend it in. Fry for a couple of minutes. Add a bit of water. And give the pot a stir. Add salt according to your taste. And put the mutton koftas in the gravy. Scoop a bit of the gravy on top of each of the kofta. Cover and cook for 20 minutes. Make sure you turn them over once. After 20 minutes, you can see our koftas look delicious and done. Let's plate up our beautiful mutton koftas. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander and serve with chapatis or naans. Mughlai kofta curry is not for the calorie conscious and is a treat for special occasions. It is the fat which gives it its true taste. Dare to give this recipe a try and enjoy.